This is how to use the product feature or the e-store feature. In your app, you can see an icon like this. When you press on it, your customers can see the details of the products, add it, and place an order. So we are going to learn how to add products like this. We are also going to see how to manage orders and the analytics of the products as well. On the admin portal, you can see on the left side there is e-store. You can press on e-store and products. Once you're in this page, you can go ahead and select your store. You can add categories by pressing on the categories button. We are adding a new bakery category. You can add delivery charges here and save it. To add new products, press on add product. Enter the product name. Select the category. Add in description. Enter the price. If you have discounts, you can add the discounts. If you want to manage inventory, you can press on track inventory and add the stocks that you have available. If you do not require it, you can turn it off. You can add the product image. You can add multiple images. You can add product specification as well. Let's say you have different sizes of cakes. So we are going to add the specification name as size, the value as small, the product price is going to be 285, right? And if the value is large, we are going to add the value as 385. You can just go ahead and press add product. That's it, your product has been added. Your customers can go ahead and place an order by going to the products icon on the bottom, pressing on products, searching for the product or choosing the category, pressing on the quantity and buy now. You can fill in the details. When the customer presses confirm, the order details are sent to WhatsApp and also shows up in the dashboard as well. You can see that the order is pending. You can change the action to pending, sent for delivery completed or failed. Let's press on paid for now and save changes. So this is how you can place the order and manage the order in the dashboard. You can see the analytics of your orders as well.